right here at Amadeo Event Center on the 24th of November 2023 is the Southeast Realtors Conference and Awards wrap happening right here. So whether you are a realtor, you're a real estate agent, you are a real estate enthusiast, whether you have begun, you're beginning, or you're thinking about it, you are specially invited. On that day, we're going to be having a fun time learning from one of the best speakers in real estate space. We are going to be having fun. There will be food, there will be dance, there will be fun. Most importantly, you're going to network and meet some of the top realtors in the Southeast. Remember, right, Ben?
Yeah. On the 24th of November 2023, it will be happening here live at Amadeo Event Center. We are specially inviting you today to be part of this history-making event. We want you to come and learn from the best in the real estate industry. I want you to come and be equipped for the journey ahead. Jeff?
Yeah, you don't want to miss this for anything.
Yeah.
All the information you need will be showing on your screen right now. Remember, the 24th of November 2023, right here at Amadeo.
Sure.
See you then.